Hi guys, this is Dinil Rahul. Welcome to my channel. How are you all? Andre ela unnaru? So if anybody is watching first time my videos, please do subscribe guys. So without missing, you can watch all my videos. Just now I have finished all my Kerala trip. So I am going to Kanyakumari. That means Tamil Nadu state. So from now I'll go to Tamil Nadu. I'll make each and every video. I'll 1 second. Wow. Guys, I don't know this place name. This is exactly 30 kilometers from Kanyakumari. Before going to Kanyakumari, I got wow. Seriously, this is the first district in Tamil Nadu toward from Povar Island to like Kanyakumari. Before going, I got this place. Such a nice place, guys. We'll go there. Yeah, so we'll go there and we will see how it is. Seriously, this is next level. I don't know this place name. So before entering Kanyakumari, I got this place. Wow, literally it's really next level, guys. If I go from here 35 kilometers, I'll get Kanyakumari. So exactly it is like Kerala and Tamil Nadu border. We'll go left side from here. I really want to see the place. Directly if I go, we can go to Kanyakumari. Oh my god, it's really damn good. Oh my god. See, this is what happened whenever. I'll tell you one thing about traveling, guys. I don't have any expectation. I don't even plan. So blindly I will go. I will get these kind of places on my way. Whatever till now you watched each and every video like this only. I don't have any planning to go to some particular place. So when I'm going, I'll get these kind of nice places. How nice it is. Everything is unexpected only, guys. Whatever you watched, all my videos is just unexpected. I don't have any plan. Blindly I will go and I'll get anything I'll get. Seriously, you can see this view. I really want to go there. I just want to walk in this bridge. See, these people are coming now. I want to go there. Okay, I'll remove my shoes and I'll walk. Where is my tripods? So I kept my shoes here. Now I'll go and I'll try and I'll show you guys. Ooh, I'm very excited. I should be very careful because it's here completely slippery. జారుతుంది ఇక్కడ బాగా. కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాలి, అదర్వైజ్ కింద పడిపోతాము. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ టు గో డౌన్. అలా కిందికి వెళ్ళాలి. సెకండ్, లెట్ మీ గో ఇన్సైడ్. I think for this kind of background music, I want some nice background music.